Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to compare JBL Flip 4 versus the Anker Mini 3. So let me go through the spec very quickly. The Soundcore Mini 3, 35 pounds, 15 hour playtime, Bluetooth 5.0, audio output of 6 watts, IP7, waterproof, you can connect up to 100 speakers together. Flip 4, 80 pounds, 12 hours of playtime, IP7, waterproof, output of 16 watts, built-in mic, Bluetooth 4.2, connect up to 100 speakers. In common few colors, white, black, blue, red and camo. Now we're gonna first connect it through Anker.
The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the Avvai. I remember it just like a photograph, but they say it's haunted now. The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the I remember it just like a photograph, but they taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste your I can taste your words. I can taste I can taste I can taste your words. 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 I can taste
And the lights are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lemons, just hold on. And the lights are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just hold on.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been ready for them bad days, tryna take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been ready for them bad days, tryna take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know. Tell me what's the hold up. Wanna get to know ya. Girl,
The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the hour I remember it just like a photograph, but they say it's haunted now. The hidden trail in the back of the old barn, past the hour I remember it just like a photograph, but they say it's haunted now.
When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lemons, just call on me. When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life feels lemons, just call on me.
lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know. Tell me what's the hold up. Wanna get to know ya. Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda. I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is. Girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know. Tell me what's the hold up. Wanna get to know ya.
We listened to both of the speakers with the different type of audio with different volume. JBL Flip 4 have really good bass compared with the Anker Mini 3. Anker is again a 6 watts output, Flip 4 16 watts output, so quite loud and much better on the bass. Where on the Anker you need to use the app to get the best bass, and when you put a mix they do struggle with some of the mix. When you come to the Flip, doesn't matter what audio is. Anker Mini 3 is 35 pounds. The Flip 4 is around 80 pounds. If you do want a really good bass speaker, I will go for the Flip 4 over the Anker Mini 3. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.